Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long.
Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, my name is Casey, and in this video I'm doing a little bit of cozy fall evening cleaning of a few rooms in my house that have gotten a little bit out of control. So stick around if you are ready for some cozy fall cleaning inspiration. So I feel like the first thing that I need to address is my outfit. I probably could have wore like a cute cozy fall outfit for this video, but this is just what I had on when I decided to start cleaning, and it doesn't really match. It's kind of just some cozy clothes, and I was so comfortable I just didn't want to change. But I did take my sweater off to wash dishes, otherwise it probably would have got soaked. But I do have my orange juice there in my wine glass, in case you were wondering. One of my favorite things about fall is the fall scents. So I'm really loving the Acorn Spice by Mrs. Meyer's, which is what I am washing the dishes with here. So I already have the dishwasher going, and I'm just washing the rest of the stuff that was left in the sink that didn't fit in the dishwasher, like some big pans and trays and stuff like that. And yes, I do eat that candy corn in that apothecary jar by the sink. Occasionally I will sneak a couple out and pop them in my mouth while I'm cleaning. What do you guys think? Do you like candy corn? I know a lot of people hate candy corn, but I don't know. I don't think I could eat a lot of them. It would probably make me sick, but one or two and they're really, really good. Also, with this white farmhouse sink, it tends to get some scratches and like scuff marks in it when you're doing dishes. They do make a protective grid that goes on the bottom, but I never got one, and I just don't know why, but maybe I should look into it. But if I do get some scuff marks on it, I use Barkeeper's Friend. It's like a powder, and I sprinkle it in the bottom of my sink and then just leave it kind of dry. I don't run water, and then I just buff it out with a sponge, and it is sparkling like new again. I don't know about you, but as soon as September 1st rolls around, I am all about fall. So I've been feeling the fall vibes for an entire month now, but where I live, we haven't had the fall weather, so it's definitely not cooperating, and it never does. It's been like mid-90s here, so I'm super pumped that next weekend, or this weekend, I mean, we are having fall-like weather, and I'm so excited. We're gonna go to the pumpkin patch and do all that fun fall stuff, and hopefully wear a sweatshirt or a sweater or something super cozy.
I've got you.
Now we have marble countertops, and you would be surprised that there is not a lot you can use to clean them with. I am just using this daily marble cleaner that I get at Home Depot. Speaking of Home Depot, we are making a trip there today. Actually, we're making an out-of-state trip to Home Depot, which is 45 minutes away, because our Home Depot never has the items that I go to buy, which is so frustrating. But we're getting the tile finally for the boys' bathroom, and we already have the vanity and the top and the sink and the faucet, so I'm super excited to get started on that project. So stay tuned, and we will be doing a complete bathroom makeover. You're going to want to make sure you are subscribed to my channel and hit that bell notification so you won't miss that video. Now, I actually love cleaning my kitchen. It is like my favorite room to clean, but my least favorite thing to clean is the stainless steel appliances. I don't know, I just find it so frustrating to get them nice and shiny. Now that I've got the kitchen nice and clean, I'm going to light some candles to make it feel a little more cozy in here. Now it is time to get the rest of this space cozy. I've got to clean off the table and get my place settings back where they go. Whenever we eat, I just kind of move them out of the way by setting them in the chairs, because obviously we don't eat on the plates. I mean, they're just for pretty. We could eat on them, but then like they sit out and they're kind of probably get dusty or dirty. I mean, I clean them, I'll just wipe them off when I'm dusting, but you know, that's probably not something you want to eat off of unless they were washed correctly with dish soap. So they just serve the purpose of looking pretty. And I don't always leave a place setting out, but like fall and winter, I think it's fun to make cozy place settings. At least I enjoy it. I don't know if anybody else in the house cares about it, but I like it. And then I lit some candles to make it nice and cozy, and then I took a few pictures for Instagram.
To me, you're blessing me every day. I was down with an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings, but now I shine with your reflection on me. I'm getting back up on my feet. That you showed up was written in my palm.
So recently, on September 19th, it was my husband and I's wedding anniversary, and my youngest son made us this adorable Lego creation, and they look just like us. And my husband got me a diamond necklace for our anniversary, and the little Lego guy is holding a clamshell that looks like a jewelry box. It is so adorable.
Set me free. You make me win every way. You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. Yes, I'm the winner, yeah. 'Cause I'm the winner, yes. Am I awake or am I dreaming? So far gone, I won't look back. And when I move, there ain't no stopping me. You're pushing me up to the top. I saw the clouds looking angry, but then the sky reached my mind. And when I space out, I see the possibilities unfolding the way that I want. That you showed up was written in my palm. You are a statement, explode like a bomb. I get to push myself to victory. You make me winner. You cut me loose and set me free. You cut me loose. You make me win every way. You show me.
Now I am just about finished making this space cozy, and I have to go outside and give my thirsty mums on the front porch some water. Okay, before I get too cozy, I just have to share with you these adorable whipped cream mug toppers. I got them at a local antique mall, which is Warehouse Antique Mall in Marion, Illinois. I actually have a booth in that mall, and this is a new booth as well called Whipped Cream & Co. And I think the girl who makes them has a Facebook page, and I will link it down below, but I just think they're so adorable. They have candy corn and birthday ones, so many cute ones, especially if you are a Rae Dunn lover. It's a cute way to dress up your mugs. Now it is really time to get cozy because I am pouring myself a glass of wine. Well, I am all done cleaning, and now that everything is nice and cozy, I am just going to sit here and sip my wine and read Liz Marie Galvin's new book, Cozy White Cottage. And thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you haven't already, please check out my fall and Halloween home tour. I will have it linked here. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!